Hello students, welcome you all to the video lecture on chapter number 7, comparing quantities, example 2. The question is, an item marked at rupees 840 is sold for rupees 714. What is the discount and discount percentage? So whenever we go to the shop, right, so whatever the item we are purchasing, it will be having a tag price, right? So whatever the tag price, it is nothing but the marked price. Okay, and then while billing it, whatever we are getting, that is nothing but the selling price. Okay, in the bill what we are getting is nothing but selling price. So sometimes marked price and selling price will be same, meaning that there is no discount on the particular item. Okay, sometimes there will be a difference in both of them. Okay, so generally the discount is given by the formula, which is nothing but marked price minus selling price. Okay, so here the marked price is given, it is nothing but 840 rupees and selling price is 714. Okay, so 840 minus 714. So here 10 minus 4 is nothing but 6. We have 3 here. 3 minus 1 is nothing but 2. And then 8 minus 7 is 1. Okay, so 126 rupees is nothing but discount. Okay, so the discount given for the particular item is nothing but 126 rupees. So this is the amount which we are getting the discount. And next is discount percentage they are asking. The discount percentage is given by discount divided by marked price. Okay, so this is the formula. Discount divided by marked price. Since it is percentage, we have to multiply by 100%. So the discount just now we have calculated, it is 126 and then marked price is 840 into 100%. Okay, so whichever we can cancel out. So we can apply 4 tables. 4 2s are 8, 4 1s are 4 and here 0 we can write as it is. 4 2s are 8, balance is 2, it will become 20, 5 4s are 20. Okay, so 5 tables we can apply. 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25. Okay, and then 5 4s are 20, balance is 1, it will become 10. 5 2s are 10. So when we apply 7 tables, we have 7 6 are 42, 7 1s are 7, balance is 5, it will become 56, 8 7s are 56. Again we can use 6 tables, 6 1s are 6, 6 3s are 18. Okay, so 3 into 5 is nothing but 15%. So in this problem, the discount percentage, right, it is given by 15% and discount is rupees 126. Thank you. Thanks for watching.